Now, today is the third day of India's vaccination drive. So, let's just look at what the vaccination by numbers are. So, the Indian government has said that today, the Health Ministry briefing said that we finished 3,81,305 vaccinations today. So, that's what our day 3, the total number of vaccinations, 3,81,305. And today, there was 1.48 lakh, nearly 1.5 lakh vaccinations.
Day 3 of India's vaccination drive, less than 50% of those identified to get the vaccine turned up for the jab. At this urban health center in Hyderabad, 17 out of 50 identified beneficiaries turned up today. The vaccine comes in 5 ml vials that translate into 10 doses. So 3 doses would be considered wastage as the vaccine cannot be used 4 hours after the vial is opened. They will hope that they are able to finish this vial because these are obviously expensive and extremely precious. While other states have been able to vaccinate 50 to 60% of the targeted beneficiaries, in Tamil Nadu, where the numbers vaccinated was at less than 6,000 in the first 2 days, went up to over 10,250 on day 3. Top officials like the health secretary received the vaccine to boost confidence. A senior health official told NDTV it is Pongal season. There was some reluctance among health workers. Vaccination is voluntary. We expect the numbers to go up. In Delhi too, there was low turnout. The focus was on boosting confidence and minimizing wastage.
There was some hesitancy. Some of the people wanted to see whether what will be the side effects. जिनको vaccination लगी है उनको क्या side effects आएंगी. Then only will force people to come. Once open, the vial has to be used in 4 hours.
At the C.V. Raman Hospital in Bengaluru, glitches on CoWIN platform delayed the vaccination.
There are some certain issues. It has been slow. That is what has been told to me by all the people working on the app. It is generally slow. So that's why there was a delay in the...
In Assam, at a rural government hospital in Sonapur, on the outskirts of Guwahati, the number of beneficiaries is going up.
हम लोगों का 51% हुआ था out of 151 percentage. 51 has taken COVID vaccination, and now out of 100 till now, 65 has been completed vaccination.
So it is a logistical nightmare, but nothing about our government cannot. So I don't think it is a problem.
By July, the government plans to vaccinate 30 crore people, and each person needs 2 doses. That means vaccinating nearly 30 lakh people daily from now. Officials say they will be increasing the numbers in a matter of days, not weeks or months. Bureau report for NDTV.